Welcome to yet another episode of The Fuck Did I Just Hear? Starting with the rooster who just saw me with my pants down.
Basketballs don't hold grudges.
I just told him that it was at the hitches first.
Lord, tonight, we're not pointing fingers at these kids. We say, Lord, we are the men. We've dropped the ball. And God, we pray.
I'll go with anatomy.
Anatomy for $50, which would bring you to $450. What, I beg your pardon? What is the longest bone in the human body?
The tibia.
I'm sorry.
The tibia.
The tibia? No, I cannot accept the tibia. If your opponent can answer this, she will pick up $50. What is the longest bone in the human body?
The labia?
No, that's not right either. Femur, F-E-M-U-R, femur or femur, or the thigh bone. I'm sorry, neither of you score. The score stays at 300 to 400, and we'll be back in just a moment, but first these words.